Instant organization. The perfect depth for upper cabinets and pantry shelves. Great for squeeze bottles and pouches. Store your salad dressings, applesauce packets, energy drinks, chia vitality snacks, health foods, dry goods and other perishable items. Perfect for storing dry goods in the pantry. Store kitchen essentials, towels, candles, baking supplies, straws, and skewers. Maximize storage space in refrigerator, freezer, cabinets, cupboards, pantry shelves or drawers. Set of 4. Portable stackable. Built-in, easy grip side handles make it easy to transport from shelf to table or island. Organize all of your kitchen essentials and create handy go-to supply baskets to make organizing and everyday living a little easier. Stack or use side by side to create the best storage solution for your home. Maximize storage space in refrigerator, freezer, cabinets, cupboards, pantry shelves or drawers. Great for busy families and professional organizers. Functional versatile. These versatile storage bins can be used in any room of the home. Great for keeping small items organized and easy to find. Use them in the bedroom, nursery, laundry, utility room, kitchen, home office, craft room, playroom, kids' rooms, garage and more. The compact size and stacking feature also makes them great for apartments, condos, college dorm rooms, RVs, campers, and boats. These bins help you to get organized and stay that way. Quality construction. Made of durable shatter-resistant plastic. Easy care. Clean with soap and water. Do not place in the dishwasher. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fridge accessory. I decided this is the year to get my fridge organized. I am tired of throwing away spoiled food because it gets shoved to the back behind more frequently used items or not being able to find the ingredient I need when cooking. I bought these containers to use in the shelves inside my fridge door. They are a great fit and are very sturdy. I keep all my salad dressings in one and take the entire container to the table. Then, when the meal is over, the entire container goes back to the fridge. I do the same with sandwich, hamburger condiments, pickles and olives, etc. It prevents multiple trips to the fridge at mealtime because everyone wants something different on their burger or salad, and it makes it easier to plan shopping trips because I can see what I have and don't buy duplicates. I'm planning on buying more in other sizes when I tackle the pantry.